Toyota Land Cruiser GR 2027 is not just an SUV. It's a statement of raw power wrapped in uncompromising luxury. And today we're taking an exclusive first look at what may be the most aggressive Land Cruiser ever conceived. From the moment this beast rolls into view, you can tell Toyota didn't just refine the Land Cruiser formula. They rebuilt it with a warrior's mindset. Finished in a deep gloss black that seems to swallow light whole, the 2027 GR trim wears a matte black body kit that transforms the already imposing Land Cruiser silhouette into something far more menacing. Up front, the massive grille dominates the fascia, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that cut through the darkness like blades. The illuminated Toyota lettering across the grille announces its presence before you even see the badge, while the GR-branded front bumper houses aggressive intakes designed to feed cooling air to a performance-tuned engine built for both tarmac and trail. This isn't a Land Cruiser dressed up for the city. This is a machine engineered to dominate any terrain while looking like nothing else on the road. Step to the side, and the muscular haunches tell the real story. Wide fender flares house deep-tread off-road tires wrapped around glossy black multi-spoke wheels, built to handle everything from desert dunes to mountain passes. The roofline flows into a subtle spoiler at the rear, hinting at the aerodynamic thought Toyota's engineers poured into every surface. Around back, a full-width LED taillight bar stretches across the tailgate, glowing with a signature light pattern that's unmistakably GR. Dual exhaust tips peek out beneath the aggressive rear bumper, ready to deliver a deep, commanding growl every time the throttle is pressed. But the real transformation happens inside. Slide into the driver's seat and you're greeted by black leather upholstery stitched with striking red GR accents, paired with matte carbon fiber trim that signals serious performance intent. The digital instrument cluster and widescreen infotainment display glow to life with crisp, modern graphics, while the GR embossed steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters, puts total control at your fingertips. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, and an ambient lighting strip along the ceiling adds a warm, premium touch after dark. Every surface, every stitch, every button has been placed with obsessive precision. What makes the 2027 Land Cruiser GR so compelling isn't just the way it looks, it's the message it sends. This is a vehicle built for those who refuse to choose between luxury and capability, between comfort and raw performance. It's a Land Cruiser for the modern era, one that can glide through a five-star hotel valet line just as confidently as it can climb a rocky trail at dawn. Toyota has taken decades of Land Cruiser heritage, legendary reliability, unstoppable off-road prowess, and fused it with a genuinely aggressive, performance-driven design language that feels ready for the world stage. Whether you're drawn to the imposing front-end presence, the sculpted rear with its glowing light signature, or the driver-focused cockpit dripping in GR styling, this concept makes one thing clear. The Land Cruiser is evolving into something bolder than ever before. This is the kind of vehicle that turns heads in a showroom and holds its own on the toughest terrain on Earth. That's our exclusive concept showcase of the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser GR. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Nitro Garage for more exclusive concept reveals. Disclaimer: this vehicle is an AI-generated concept and does not represent an actual announced or released Toyota product.